In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between demo and real accounts on Exness. If you use Exness for trading, it's important to know how to move between your demo and real accounts quickly and confidently. Demo accounts are useful for practicing strategies and getting familiar with the platform without risking actual funds, while real accounts are the ones you use for live trading. The good news is that switching between them is very straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, go to your Exnes personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts and settings. Once you've signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page and that everything has fully loaded before continuing. That helps avoid clicking into the wrong section by mistake. Next, click on Accounts. This section is where Exnes displays the trading accounts connected to your profile. If you have more than one account, this page will help you organize them and choose the one you want to work with. It's essentially the control center for managing both practice and live trading accounts. Once you're inside the accounts area, look for the toggle filters or tabs labeled Real and Demo. These tabs separate your live trading accounts from your practice accounts, making it much easier to switch views. If you don't immediately see the account you expected, it's usually because the opposite tab is currently selected, so just check which filter is active. When you find the tab you want, click on it to display that type of account. For example, if you want to practice, choose the Demo tab. If you're preparing to trade with real funds, select the Real tab instead. After that, click on the specific account you want to use so it becomes the active one. This is an important final step because selecting the tab alone only changes the account list you're viewing. You still need to click the actual account you want in order to make it active. That ensures you're working in the right environment before placing trades or reviewing details. As a helpful tip, always double check whether you're in a demo or real account before taking any action, especially if you switch frequently. It's a simple habit that can help prevent confusion and keep your trading organized. And that's it. That's how to switch between demo and real accounts on Exness quickly and easily.